Hell yeah. It'll be a little slow. Am I audible? Fucking hell. Still catching up. Am I audible? Fucking hell. That is disgustingly sad. Anyways, so I don't know who can say this, but I guess I should be at the live streaming deck or some shit. Anyways, so webcam, this shit. This stream can be accessed again, blah blah blah, whatever. End stream, chat is here, so I can view chat. I would like to see this in full screen, but that does not seem to be on the table. Okay, so my plan is that I want to make a social presence, right? So I'd like to start by sharing what I do, whatever the fuck it is that I do. I could even stream me studying for CTs because I think I like the company and having people around is nice. Ooh, what the fuck? Stream's bitrate is lower than the recommended bitrate. Okay, cool. Open this shit. Whatever. So I want to share what I do with people, and so I've started this channel. I'm gonna be building a personal brand, and my career starts in about a year. So I want to take people on a journey with me because I believe that that's going to be more fun. Doing it alone is kind of miserable. So having people around is always nice. I'm going to go get a shower. I understand that for this I will eventually need equipment, but I'm a broke college student. Can't expect much from me. That aside, I'm gonna get comfy now, and hopefully a lot of people who will be seeing this will end up being friends, but that's where we all need to start, right? So a start is a start, and so I hope you guys enjoy whatever the fuck it is I do. I might have a few downfalls and shit, whatever the fuck. Anyways, I need to understand how to learn streaming properly, but I guess that's an eventuality. So yeah, I mean, from what I have to do today, I have to work on the freelance gig that I have to prep for a CT, and I have to do some CN bullshit. And if I get time, I'm gonna either write a web server from scratch or do 3JS. 3JS is pretty fun. But for now, I think I just finished recording an SRMP video, so I'll probably go and I'll work on my freelance gig because that seems like a better investment. I get paid to do that, unlike the other shit. Oh, so in case anybody wants to know what I'm running, I am running Arch, not proud of it, but I had a friend set it up for me. Nobody's home, as in like nobody's around, so it's chill. I made a few decisions during the holidays that I did get, so I'll work on shit and I want to enjoy the process. So I feel like having people around is more fun. So if any future viewers watch this, and if I even bother continuing this, my name is Ashan, and I'm currently a college student, and I'm trying my best, and I like coding, as in I like making websites, and mainly I like making systems, and that is something that I am working on. I feel like that I have a long way to go, but I have put some things into production in the past. One of those things would be my platform named Kaizen Class, and I use this to track my assignments and my tests. So I'm pretty proud of this project. But yeah, I have 2 tests coming up. As for assignments, I have a few Indian art form assignments. I guess I will do this later, but yeah, it's in the works, and I hope this becomes a regular thing, because honestly, even getting this off my chest is pretty fun. So yeah, I mean, I hope you guys stick around, and I hope I can now even upload this video, because I don't know jack shit about live streaming. So yeah, I hope you guys have fun. And right now I know for a fact that there's nobody watching because I set it up personally. But yeah, down the line I might unlist this, but if I don't, well, that's kind of my introduction, I would say. Nice meeting you all, and fuck it, I think I will continue working for now, and eventually I'll share this with friends and they can watch. Yes. Okay, so where were we? We need to start the freelance gig work. So I'll go to freelance, and I believe this, yeah, okay, tuition. I don't think we have an NDA, so it doesn't really matter. So what I'm running here is Next.js and Tailwind, and I have a pretty shitty way of actually writing front ends, but I'm getting paid and I like the process, so fuck it. And we will go to the framer design that they've given us. So I'll go, shit, I don't think I should be leaking all this, which is kind of fucked. Anyways, fucking hell. Okay, cool. So I'll keep this out of here because I don't want to get doxxed, and like even down the line that'd be pretty fucked. Well, I think I kind of fucked myself already, but whatever. Framer, I believe I'll just go through it in my, where is it, framer, yeah, there it is. So yeah, I have to build this. In essence, I have to build this from scratch, and looks a bit daunting, and it kinda is. It's a pain in the ass, but I have made progress. So in essence, what I had to use for the animations was framer motion, and Tailwind is Tailwind. There's nothing new about that. So I go client, and I will run my dev server. Cool. So I started it on localhost 3000, and yeah, this is my progress so far. It'll load in a few million seconds. What the fuck, bitch, work. Okay, yeah, there you have it. So in essence, I would say I was trying to replicate this, and I think I did a decent job. I'm waiting on the assets from my employers. What the fuck, this looks missing. Nah, it's perfect. Never mind. And this I did animate on presence, which it looks close enough, I guess. So if I go here, it does the same thing. Holy fuck, the temperature. Anyways, but yeah, so now the next thing that I have to do is I have to work on the services part. So we'll go to that. Yeah, services, then benefits and value, then testimonials, all that bullshit. So right now I have done these two, about and landing, and I have finished the navbar, and I've made all of this responsive, which is in my eyes quite the feat because holy fucking shit, this was annoying. So yeah, I have this. The thing's name is Mindful Mind Matrix, and yeah, so I have to adapt the content according to their needs. I'll do that eventually. You know, the hardest part about making all this was the fucking paint. It's so fucking annoying. And yeah, I mean, that's that. So yeah, let's get back to it. So holy fuck, there's a third paint. I am going to kill myself. Anyways, so cool, we need to do services. So I guess you guys will see my whole process of working here. We're gonna be focusing on this. So this can kill itself now, and let's work on, yeah, this. So I use Vim because it works out, I guess, for the most part. How I'm gonna start is I'm gonna give this shit a screen of like height, so this, and we could make it minimum because it could exceed that. It's just a bad habit. So we do that, then I go to test to see where it starts, and then pg dash background because tailwind config. So we go here, and yeah, this is where it starts. And is that what we want? Now you see this cutoff. This is less than a screen because we go here, and what the fuck? Welcome to our services. Let me refresh that shit. Oh shit, I think I fucked up. So in essence, it's gonna be smaller than even that. Am I tripping? I hope not. Let me get rid of this. I don't think that'll make a difference, but whatever. Yeah, see, so I didn't do it wrong. See, I am not schizo. So here, so this is exactly the same. The point is to replicate it as good as I can. So I scroll down and I see this, right? This is fine, but this is too much space. In essence, here I see this here. This is this. For now, let's just stick to the screen height, and we go here, and this is where we'll work. So now I have to break this down. First, what do I see if I have to replicate this from scratch? So you know what, today I'll just copy this section and show it off because I feel fruity today. Fuck it, so we'll make this happen. So I will take this, our services. This is the first thing I'll make. So what can I identify here? This and this are close, so in essence we can space this out in the same div. So this is the first thing we make. There's a parent div. This encompasses everything, so the whole thing, including the paint, including the cards, and we'll take some help from GPT because I have to do that for the paint. It's a pain in the ass to code. So we go here, and first thing we're gonna do is gonna make these two. So we go, let's go with the P because it doesn't really matter. Tailwind overloads everything anyway, so it doesn't matter what I write. So we go our services, right? And the people who have OCD are gonna be screaming at me, but don't worry, I got you. So we do this, and let's go text center. Done. So now what are we looking at? This. Okay, how different is this from this? So what font does this use? Unfortunately, I didn't get access to the framer file, so I'm just eyeballing a lot of stuff, but that's fine. I mean, I don't think they'll mind. IBM. I have this in my Tailwind config, and I imported the fonts from Google Font. It's a pretty good service. So if you go to global.css, yeah, here both of the fonts are here, so that works out. And yeah, our services. So how different is it? We're going to be eyeballing a lot of shit here. So this looks disgusting, so we need to add boldness, and we need to reduce the size. So we go SM and we make it bold. How different is it? Very close. Now we see the spacing, so we need to add tracking dash wider. Oh yeah, so for people who don't code as often, I would like you to know that I have not by hearted this. It's only practice. And so we see here there's not a lot of distance here and here, right? So what we need to do is reduce the screen size of this, ideally. Yeah, that makes sense. So in essence, that's where we start. So our services, and we continue with this. So yeah, it is weird. I believe this is just me doing all this, right? I mean, let me see. I don't think I have any people watching. Yeah, that's good. And I prefer going at it alone anyways, so is what I'd like to think. But anyways, so we do this, we paste this, and we go to class. I believe this is still IBM, so yeah, I mean, or Lato, it could be either. So I need to select this, and this is Lato. Okay, cool. So we will go font dash Lato, and this is a big chunky boy, so we'll go to 3XL. And where are we at? Okay, this is big, but this is also bold, so we go font dash bold. This can come off as tedious, but when you put on music, it just drowns out in the background, and I currently have to explain everything I'm doing, but I'm doing that because I like it, but still. when you actually pursue this and you're doing it with music, there's no internal monologue. You just do shit and shit happens. So right now I'm building for desktop first, because honestly I hate mobiles. Fuck mobiles, even though I use a mobile on a daily. But yeah, I'm going mobile first, and I'm fairly certain I'm breaking so many front end rules that I can't even begin to count. But fact is, trust in the process. In the end, it will look nice. And I don't think nobody gives a shit how I coded it, as long as it fits on the screen. Of course, in a company, it's probably going to get me laid off, but hey, this is not a company. This is my own employment. I'm freelancing. So I don't need to yap that much. Text dash center. Let's look at it. Okay, so this is in 2 lines. Why is that? What that means is the text is wrapping, and this is small, so I need it bigger. So we go 5XL, and this is too big, so now we need to text wrap. It is taking the whole div, which is not good. So text dash wrap, we do this, and just to eyeball it for MD, I'm going to take a measure. This is 800 pixels, so we're gonna go with, when we do rem, I believe it takes the base number, which is 18 pixels, and multiplies it. So I mean, I'm acting retarded right now. So I mean, I don't usually do this. I usually just try it till it just fits. But 18 times 5, which is 90, which is not nowhere close. So 18 times 90, let's go with this. 1/6, that's too much. So 18, yeah, I know I'm retarded, but I like the process. So 990, close. 18 times 50, and we go with 900. Okay, so we need to go to the 40s. 18 times 48, and this is almost close enough. So we'll go with W dash, how much is this? 48 RAM. 48 RAM. Yeah, so in essence, if I decide to in the future change the base size in the Tailwind config, everything will adapt and shorten itself, which is pretty sexy. And there you have it. So that worked out, but what the fuck? Why is this not here? So b dash red, this is here. Okay, cool. So it is centered, but only to that div, right? And we want it centered at the same place, so we wrap all of this in a single div. Since we haven't given any width there, it is taking the whole thing by default. So fuck that. What we're gonna do is flex dash call. So they're going to be together. Just wait a second. I'm gonna remove this so that default shit gets removed. Yeah, there you go. And we're gonna do justify center, items center. So when you, yeah, there you go. So when you, how flex works is, if you would, I mean, I don't think anybody really cares about flex, but in my opinion, how flex, not my opinion, that's just how flex works. So how flex works is, when you apply flex to something, it essentially, whatever, it puts everything side by side, right? I don't know why that happens. I don't give two shits. And based on the properties, it aligns them as you want. It's made for making layouts and making things sequential, or like grids. I don't have a word for it, but that's how it works. And so there's 2 properties: justify content and align items. In default flex, justify content like works on the x-axis, and align items works on the y-axis. So flex would take this, if you justify content start, right? So it will essentially start here. So like if this is this container, it will start here. If it's center, it's going to be here. If it's going to be end, it's going to be here on the x-axis in justify. But if it is items, so if the div is screen size, I can decide where my item will go on the y-axis. Right now it's here, and I guess you'll see that in action pretty soon. But when you add call, these things invert. So justify content works on the y-axis and align items works on the x-axis. It was wacky for me to understand at first. Anyways, how does this look? exactly the same. So that's what we want. And now let's look at the spacing. So I'm not going to calculate this, I'm just going to eyeball it. So we'll go with, where is it? And flex is pretty chill, you could do everything in flex. That's what I do, I don't really give two shits. What you use, in the end it's gonna look the same regardless of what you use. So just do what works for you. If it's grid that is your thing, well then I support you. Let's go with 5, and yeah, I believe that is our, yeah, that's the money shot. Good. So next we go to the cards, and now you could be a retard and make it in a way that nobody else could possibly add to these without having to copy and paste, but I like to follow good principles. So there is a principle called do not repeat yourself, and we're going to follow that. So how we do that is we will make a array of objects. So const cards, yeah, and we are going to start here. And okay, I need water. I'll be right back. Streaming is fun. I mean, if I could make this a regular thing, I think I'm a yapper by default. But yeah, this is my mug. It's Pied Piper. If Aditya is watching this, you are an angel. Thank you so much. I drink with this every day, and I'm going to continue doing that. Anyways, stay tuned. I'll be right back, and I hope this doesn't go too long. But I don't know. I'm having fun. I want to make this a regular thing, man. I'll be right back. Well, I have returned. Okay, so where were we? Calc. Okay, yeah, here. So we continue from here. We just spaced this shit, and let's commit this, cause why not? Git add dot git commit. What should we write? Writing commit messages. Oh no, I'm not committing that. Fuck. Nah, fuck it. Who cares? So no, we will cancel that. Finish first strip in services section. There we go. Well, I did just commit funny shit, but don't worry, we'll rectify that right now. It doesn't matter. I mean, it does matter, but like in a company environment right now we're just having fun. So, and I can't believe this is still running. I really hope it does, because I'm having so much fun. Anyways, so yeah, where were we? Yeah, so as I said, dry. So we need to make it so if somebody adds to this, they can easily append to it, and if somebody else uses your code base, they don't want to kill themselves, right? So in essence, what we're going to do here is we're going to first analyze what we have to make. Group classes. So you have titles, right? So you have a title class. So this is also how you do schema design. So I will eventually be doing full on projects, and you know what, having a audience for that would be amazing, but we'll see how that goes. I mean, life is strange. Classes, and we paste this, and uske baad pricing. Let's go with pricing, and we have to keep this agnostic so that if somebody else, I mean, what the fuck am I saying? Yeah, I mean, in essence, any currency should work. Like, it shouldn't be restricted to fucking this shit. So we do this, we paste this, there we go. And what else? USD per class, whatever the fuck this is. Or this is kind of bullshit. Do we really need this? USD per class, what the fuck? This is so retarded. Why whatever. So we go description, we'll get back to that later. So description, and we paste this, and this bullshit text. So extra price text. Don't give a fuck about the names, man. Just be explicit. Like, it should make sense, right? So in essence here, this 20 USD per class or 17 per class billed monthly, right? So in essence, that's what we're proposing, and I believe this is all one line. So I'm just gonna do this. Oh wait, what the fuck? Let's go with single ones here, because I'm sure this is causing issues. Why is this causing issues? Oh yeah, it is eating up my shit, isn't it? Yeah, that makes sense. So we paste this here. It is still eating up my shit, which is hella annoying. But okay, yeah, the slash. So we got to slash the slash. What the fuck? I have never in my life experienced this before, and I am getting tired. It's been a long day. So we come here. I don't even know how I look right now, which is kind of scaring me. I'm pretty conscious. Yeah, okay, I mean that works, I guess, whatever the fuck that was. Okay, so we come here, we get rid of this. Yeah, so that's how we do it, and we replicate this 2 more times. We got $25, and this is where Vim shines, because you can directly edit it very quickly. And of course, I still suck at Vim. That doesn't take away that fact, but it's still decently useful. So workshops, we go down, CI this, there we go. Okay, now we take this. I know, grunt work, but hey, such is life. So we go here. I also realized that I'm kind of vanilla when it comes to the rising. Oh my god, yeah, same issue. So now we learn from our mistakes, and we go here, and yeah, there we go. That is fucked, but hey, we're gonna fix it. This is about right. So now we take this, and front end isn't exactly my specialty, but I mean, when money is involved, $20 is $20. I'm not getting paid $20. I kind of sold myself cheap here, but I'm still getting something out of it, and beers are beers. Oh, I'd never said that. I hope my family never watches this. Anyways, so we replace this, and no, I mean, even if my family did watch it, they wouldn't watch this far. In that case, they kind of deserve to know. Oh yeah, we forgot something very important, which is the fucking images. So we will now add image, and we leave this blank for now till I get the assets. And yeah, so there we have it. I will get the images as well. I actually ended up putting every asset here. I think I should have split this up. Tedious as fuck, man. Maybe it's because I'm hungry. I believe it is because I'm hungry. You know what, since I resolved myself to finishing this, I might as well. And besides, I still have 20 minutes before I actually have to eat, though I should charge my phone. Let me get my charger. I'll finish this and then leave for today. If I can circulate my stream and people watch it, it would be nice. If not, I mean, that's fine too. It's not really a problem. I don't know if people can hear me, which is kind of scary. Oh no, wait, I did check, so I think they can. My hair looks weird. I need a haircut. Anyways, where was I? Yeah, let's go here. So let's pick up from where we left off. I had to charge my phone, so we go here. Yeah, we're here. Now we need to add the 3 cards. I will not be doing the paint because I'll rather shoot myself with a shotgun. Anyways, so where were we? So we have this done now, and this is the, let's give it a good name. Starting title. Yeah, that works. Title. I always use Kebab Case in the classes. My mentor taught me that. He's a pretty chill dude. He also wanted to start streaming, and I hope he watches this because he's a pretty chill dude. Yeah, this is for you, Arman. You're a goat. Anyways, where are we? I could probably, I hate my hair. Anyways, so where are we? Yeah, this. So we've mapped all of this out now. Now again, we break this down. what is it that the card has? The card is a big div that is rounded, and it has 4 sections: the image, the title, the money with the fucking extra bullshit text, and the description, right? So those are 4 sections. So what we have to do is make 4 sections per card, and we can go one of 2 ways. I can either feed the card itself into a functional component, or I could just write all of that bullshit here. And you know what, let's be good about this. I'm gonna write a component, or I could write a component and then port it over to separate file and then import it here, which could also work, because yeah, why the fuck not? I'm using TypeScript, it will figure itself out. I mean, yeah, whatever. So I think I'll start writing here so that I can see the results on screen, though I could go about it the other way as well and it works. So in essence, we will call this the card container, card dash container. Well, this reminds me of my bootstrap days, but okay. So we go here and we will first, let's see, on mobile, how does it look? It squeezes, or does it? I guess it does. So I dread this the most. What the fuck, dude? How am I gonna do this? I mean, I could use this library called Swiper.js, I guess. Swiper.js. I've used it in the past. It's just, this looks like more of a pain to implement. So yeah, I mean, it's doable. It's not, I just don't want to do it. Ugh. Anyways, let's leave that for tomorrow's me. Fuck this. Where were we at? Card container. So we will now start with the card. And how do we make this card? Okay, so first I'll eyeball the height, because width, I guess you could split, but I don't want it to be mutated width either, so I'll just fix both of them. Fuck it. We will go with 300 by 400, where I believe 300 is, what is 300? Fucking hell, my box model skills are bad too. But yeah, let's just say what looks longer, the sides, right? So the fucking 400 has to be the height. Yeah, there you have it. So the first, it's width times height. Yeah, I'm stupid as fuck, but I'm okay with that. I can still get work done, so it doesn't matter. And we will not go with px, because I'm sure somebody, if they eventually see this, will probably murder me. And yeah, holy shit, I'm so self-conscious, man. Anyways, so let's start with, oh yeah, color. I totally forgot. Yeah, so color. So in essence, whatever color this shit is using. Now I could put this in the Tailwind config, but fact is I can't map that shit through the Tailwind config. I might as well just hard code the colors, and it's not like I use them outside of div colors anyways. So okay, I mean, whatever. I could patch that later, I mean, just to make it more workable. Anyways, coming back to this, I will use this shit, which goes hard, by the way. And so yeah, like, you know, the problem with framer files is, I mean, if you don't have the client's original file, I don't like begging people, right? So what I did was install this cool extension called XVG export. So all this paint stain shit and other stuff, you just click this and voila, there you have it. It's fucking amazing. So I got all the assets, and fact is, you can use this to exploit certain logo sites. And there's this site called Looka that charges you for making logos, AI generated logos. And I actually pitched a few of these to them because, well, they didn't have the best logo. Yeah, there you have it. So if I get started on this, I mean, I know I got sidetracked, but whatever. Education, cool. Let's just go with that. Education, pick some logos you like, blah blah blah. Okay, cool. This, what else? No, not this looks ass. What else? We'll go with this. It's an educational theme, so we'll go with this. And yeah, I believe that's it. We could go with this. we do this. We'll go with pink, green, teal, and teal is alright. I guess blue is a better choice. Nah. I like that, but it's not gonna fit. AI is cool, man. Anyways, while that does its thing, I'll show that later. So we need to now add the colors, and we go back to Framer and here. So we pick this up. I pick the color up, and now I will go and paste it here. We will map the color ourselves eventually, otherwise we just GPT that shit, because honestly, who's got the time to just write everything at this point? And if we have tools to make life simpler, might as well. Now people would argue, if you don't write the code, what's the point of you? Fact is, the last time I asked my fucking chat GPT bot, not my bot, it's not even mine, what the fuck am I ever, last time I asked ChatGPT to replicate something like this by giving it a screenshot, it shat so hard that I couldn't even believe it. Like, it wrote something that was fucking creature out of myth. I mean, it's not even worth explaining. Fact is, you still need software, guys, and you need people to make sites like these. And fact is, in the future, from what I can tell, my clients want to have a backend for this, which is going to be tedious as fuck to implement. And I can't just add GPT to do all of that, because it will fuck itself over. And that has happened to me on multiple occasions. If AI replaces us, well, dude, good for me, because it's not like I want to write these things all the time, you know. I want to get into backend because that's where the most fun is at, and I actually have to think hard. Here I just have to make shit pop up on screen. Oh yeah, also I did add this cool animation, which was a lot of fun. I picked up Framer Motion after wanting to do it for a year, after finally receiving a fucking Framer file from my clients, and it's worth it, man. It's good, though the performance on mobile kind of sucks. Okay, so let's stop yapping and get back to work. So card. So now where do we start? First we have to give the shit, so let's go W dash. How much is close to a 300? 320. Okay, cool. But was that the width? Yes, that was the width. So we'll go, yeah, let's tell this to fuck off. And yeah, next time I'll make this responsive, and on the side we could also work on other shit together. I don't mind. First I'm gonna show off the stream that I had. I don't know if anybody will actually watch this, but yeah, it's been going on for a while, huh? And it's kind of shocking that it's even like still streaming. It's so cool. I will definitely look better in future streams, don't worry about that, if you want to watch me at all, that is. So close to 400 pixels. Let's go here, let's go to the highest, and this looks dog, screw it. So H dash 98. I don't remember how I used to design cards, but I don't really care. So we go here. It's not like I don't care about my clients, it's just that I want to get this over with. So this is the first thing, and we now need to add a div for image, and we could just add image. In essence, this is all in a column anyways. So we add an image, and we go image slash image. As just a tester, we're gonna import this image. Save image as AVIF. Will that be a problem? Nah. Okay, so we go with, what should I name this bullshit? Services -1. Let's go with this. And where does this end up? Tunar pictures. Yeah, it'll be in pictures. No, it's in downloads. It's in downloads. So we go here, services. Yeah, there we go. I believe AVIFs can still be, yeah, there you go, it works still. Yippee, black kid is studying. I'm not racist. Anyways, so we go back here, we go flex, cool. So we're just making one card, and after that we'll do this magical thing where we just map the shit and it does things for itself. What is going wrong? Oh yeah, it's not the imported image. Next image. Cool. SRC. Let's go with. Oh shit, my shoulders. Fucking hell. Okay, assets, and now we go services dot avif. There we go, and we go alt. Okay, nothing here. Then we go with, oh shit, yeah, of course. So we'll go with height 100, width 100. We can tweak this later. So there's that. It broke. Why is it breaking? Okay. Network. 404. Oh, I see it. No, 400. Okay, a bad request. Can't load AVIFs. The request isn't a valid image. Okay, why is that? Next.js can't load AVIF. You have an AS, does not support sharp. Uses sharp. Okay, cool. AVIF image not working. Am I calling this right? Let me check the other image shit. Did I ever use image? Yes, I did. Okay, so we go to about. How do I import this bullshit? Let's go here as well. /assets. Okay, cool. So I'm a fucking retard. Anyways, -1. This should work now. Yeah, there we go. The black kid is here. Yippee. I have nothing against black people. Black people chill. I'm an Indian myself. Why am I being racist? I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. Anyways, so we go back here, and yeah, so this is 340. So what we can do is, I have a genius idea. So first we color this, right? So bg dash red, and we cool. Where is it? Okay, that is fucked. Fucking hell. Okay, let's just get this done. I could eyeball it. That's fucked. So we are going to go with first, let's just give it pixels. Fuck it, I don't care anymore. Fuck it, pixels it is. I do not care. I don't have time for this. 395, and this is width, and 498. 395, 498, 498 pixels. 395 pixels. I'm sure there's better ways of going about this, but I will learn that later. I do not have the patience for it now. And this is unsuspectively big. What the fuck is going on here? Okay, so let's round this first. Rounded -XL. Cool. And now what we do is, first we just dump everything here. Okay, so title. So for title we'll just do h1. Is it h1? Is it that big? Yeah, sure it is. So we do lorem. Yeah, cool. So there's that. And then the money, this will be a pricing section because they're like this. So in essence we need to have a flex container. I don't know if I'm audible. I'm sure my audio is dog shit as well, but hey, guilty as charged. I do not care right now. If I get audience, I'll probably invest in more gear. I don't exactly intend to make money off of this right now. I just want to gain some publicity and have people to work with, because that's always fun. And let's go here. Pricing. First we go with the h1 and then p. So there we have it. This is here. So we'll go with $20 and whatever the fuck this was. So vi this, control C, exit, or escape, yeah, whatever. So I should just use Vim motion. Might as well commit to the act, huh? So we kara ye, and there we have it. So that's done. What else? Description. So I don't want to do lorem text because that shit looks ugly as fuck. So we do this and we paste it in and done. So now we have all of this content in this, right? Now we structure it. So the first thing we'll do here is we have flex. That it doesn't seem to work. Oh no, that's the container, never mind. So I'm fucking regarded. So we'll go with flex call. Now, oh shit, I was about to do some goofier hand motion. Yeah, it's the same anyways. So first things first, we are gonna make this take up w dash full, and yeah, there we go. So that took that, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna round it. So rounded, let's go with Excel. Yeah, I believe, yeah, there we go. So that is how that looks. I believe that's accurate. This card looks a little weird. I'm not gonna bother with that. I'm just gonna do whatever I have to. It's for the best anyways. So that's that. Now we need to take care of this. I believe this is later, so we'll go with that. Class name, and we will go with font dash lato, and yeah, that's done. And text dash excel. Let's see how this looks. Disgusting. Yeah, because that, and not that either. So and font dash bold. There we go. Now let's look. Close. I would argue this is close. Let's just replace this with this to see how it is. Where is it? The lorem. Okay, so oh shit. I suck at him. Screw it. D2 inner bracket. Perfect. Paste this. How does this look? Good enough. So we go here, and now just for people screaming their heads off internally, let's just add padding. So px, let's go with a 5. Okay, so that's 1, right? How far is it? Let's eyeball it. Looks far enough. So the G should be a little out of this shit. And py, let's go 3. We need more, a little more. Is it accurate? There's more padding on the X. This might be too much padding. Okay, so this is disproportionate from what I can tell. So left is less, right is more. So we can actually split this up. And we go with 5 here. Damn, okay, and PR, let's go 10. Yeah, see, there we go. So that's that, and that looks about right. Yeah, yep, that looks right. I would say it looks right. Okay, now we go to the rest. So we will do this, and we will make this piece of shit big. So this will be way bigger than the other text. So text dash 4XL, and okay, cool. I believe that's one more size up. We'll make this responsive next time. Like if there is a next time, I might just go at it myself. But if I can populate this, that would be nice. That is too bold. I guess semi-bold is semi-cool. So fair enough. Looks disgusting. Lato. Oh right, yeah, Lato. Font dash Lato. There we go. Perfect. Yeah. Oh, it's the opposite way. So $20, $20, whatever the fuck. $20. Okay, cool. So I just need to reverse that. Where is it? Yeah, there it is. And yeah. Yep, that is the money shot. Whatever the fuck that means. That's cringe as fuck to say. Flex. Now we get to the bullshit So yeah, there we go, and we go space dash x. Let's give it 3 space. Is that correct? About right. That is about right, but it is way smaller, so that is fine. Now we go to this shit. If there's better people out there, please give me a guide on how to use emotions better, because I suck ass right now. Text dash description, and we will go font IBM. I like how this comes naturally to me though. It is nice. And seeing as how this text wraps, we are going to first reduce the text size, and this is about right. Nah, that is not right, so we'll go first check. See this shit, and this is what? This is Lato. Oh, fuck me, Lato. So we go here, and that is correct. Now we need to make it cut off at the or, right? So how do we do that? We cut it off here. So now we are going to do a funny move, and that is called restricting the width. We go 16. Let's see. Oh yeah, is text wrap on? It's on by default, so let's just see. Yeah, cool. We need to extend it so that we reach our desired width. So let's go 28 now. Okay, close. But so what I believe they are doing is these are two different fucking lines. This is not the same shit, is it? Yeah, these are two different lines. Kill me. Okay, so we're gonna have to make a revision here, and we're gonna go with or text, right? And so the thing we can do here is D2 this shit. Yeah, bye bye, get the fuck out of my sight. And we go here, D2. Oh fuck. Never mind. So let's just use V here, and yeah, D. Cool. And yeah, there we go. This is tedious as fuck, so we are going to go back or text, right? So 0W V dollar yank, and we're gonna go here, paste. Oh, I yanked again, what the fuck. Anyways, I might have to do that again. Fuck me. So yank and paste. Oh wait, oh right, capital Y. Oh wait, that's not a thing. Fucking hell. Oh, I'm yanking again. Anyways, okay. Yank dollar. Okay, that works. Now let's do P. Okay, that works. Cool. So we need to do capital P. Does that work? That does work. That's good for me. Okay, so now we have this, and for now we need to just go with this, I guess. But yeah, nah, you know what, that vexes me, so I'm gonna get rid of this. This shit only D2 dollar, only D2 double quotes. Go back. This was what? This was $21. Cool. And 21 Savage. $21. Cool. Now we go down, and this time I'll replace it early. Is this correct? No, that is $30. What the fuck? But like, it's an Indian institute, so the number's probably gonna be bigger, and I'm gonna be fucked because that is not gonna fit. I'll just go with 3K or some shit. Yeah, I think that's fine. So yeah, we go here, and what is the or text? 25. So CW $25, and the other one was $21, and the first one was $17. Is this correct? Cool. This, and yeah, we need to get rid of this. So we go to the or thing, D2. Oh shit, D2 and quotes. Cool. And we get rid of this. Cool. I don't even know how much of this is gonna be legible to you guys, but yeah, whatever. I remember when my sister used to do this shit, I used to be cringed out, but well, here I am doing the same. But it's not cringe, it's actually pretty fun. So what the fuck am I doing? Back. Yeah, so cool. And we open another p tag here, we take this in here, and we will take this out. Cool. So we make this like this now, and that will solve it. Cool. And we can get rid of this now. So flex call, there we go. Cool. Where are we at? We just need to apply the same styles. Yes, I know, I just used my mouse. Kill me, hang me for it. Cool. There we go. That's perfect, right guys? Anyways, so we need to space this out as well, so we'll be going to do that. And yeah, so सबसे पहले तो ये करेंगे group. Okay, so this is definitely IBM. Text dash sm font dash IBM text dash description. And what is this like? This is perfect. No, this is a little darker. Why is that? That's just the color, I don't care. So that's that, and yeah, we're done. There you have it. Now we just need to map this. So how do we do that now that I've hard coded everything like a bitch? Well, that's actually simple, so that won't be hard. First I need to fix the spacing as well. Flex, that's a container. Card ke liye we're gonna go with flex call, right? So now we do spacing. So justify, this is the y-axis, so we're gonna go with justify around first to see how it looks. And this list is disgusting, so let's see how the spacing is. Group class doesn't have that much spacing. My posture is terrible. I'm gonna die an early death. Okay, this is fine. This is fine. What the fuck is this really just did? Have I done this correct? Wow. Nah, this is not correct. Yeah, I need to reduce the padding, don't I? Even from the top. I need to reduce the padding from the top to reduce the padding from the left by 1. So PL will be 4 and PY will be, is already 4, we'll go with 3. Let's see how that looks. Is this better? No, both left and up have the same padding, so what looks right? Left looks right. Up does not look right. It looks a bit more inflated. Left looks right and up does not. So we'll go with 4. Good enough. So this will pass. We do this and now we're done. Took long enough. Now we're gonna get the other images. Now that we made one card, now watch this magic. So we're gonna go take this services dash 2. That's that. What else do I have to do today? Well, for today I think I've done enough freelance gig shit. I completed 3 sections. Not a 10x developer, but hey, hard work is hard work. To prep for CT, which I hate doing, or CN, or I either learn something, but I need to do something less energy intensive because I've run out of energy. So either I get food and then do something, but tomorrow I have class. So what am I gonna do today? I like verbalizing things, that's so nice. Yeah, where were we? Fucking hell, I forgot. CN. In CN I have to do a presentation and I have to get lab submission. CN is so stressful. You know what, I'm just gonna apply to jobs today. That takes less brain cells anyways. So yeah, less thinking. Okay, cool. So we got services 2 and now we'll go services 3. Services dash 3. So there we have it, and that's 3. Okay, cool. So that's that, and we'll go take this to the other window. Oh shit, this is OBS, fuck. We'll take this here. I literally forgot my window. Yeah, cool. So we add this here. We can organize this later, it's fine. This is my code base. I dictate the rules. So slash assets slash services dash 2 dot avif. We go back, vi this, control C, exit, escape, I mean whatever the fuck. For context, I did not script any of this because duh, I'm yapping utter bullshit. So this will be 1, this will be 2, and we go here, this will be 3. Cool. You know what, I've been procrastinating a lot on other shit as well, like old projects like Kaizen that I want to upgrade and make better, and another thing called Plunder that I really want to ship out. And so if I get a good audience watching this, I could also get instant users who want to see what I'm making, which would be sexy as fuck. Of course, I don't want to be targeted by hackers, but to be fair, who would target dear old me? I don't have much to offer. So we go here, now we have the card ready, now we'll map the card. Cool, so we go here and we are now going to do this funny bunny. So this is React magic, so cards.map, now we go this and this, and there we go, we just cover this. And what am I doing now? I suck at this. So where does this go till? Oh shit, okay, cool. Shut the fuck up, get out of my sight. Cool. I'm gonna crop this for now, and I'm gonna close this here, which is pretty useful. So I'm gonna make some distance here, paste this. Oh right, I'm a retard. Card, right? What's the issue? I cannot read this, fuck this. Let's go up. It's an array of cards, cool. So what's the issue? Cards dot map card. Ah right, yeah, that's how it was. We do this and now we cover this. Yeah, there we go, 3 cards. Now we will practice spacing and then we'll hydrate it with the content. So where is BG red? We just did this. BG red is here, and I am covering this, of course. So we remove this. We'll go to the style tag first. So, and we do this again, background color, right? And then we'll go with card dot color. There you have it. We got the 3 cards, right? So they're exactly like this. Maps out. And you know what, fuck it, since whoever watched this was this patient, I'm also gonna add frame of motion to this using ChatGPT, or I'll just use my old snippets, that works too. Oh fucking hell, I will not be putting on, I mean screw it, I guess webcam is fun. I don't know how I'm looking, so it makes me kinda conscious. Where were we? So yeah, flex card container, so we go flex, no not flex, justify around. We do this, too far, so this is centered, so, and there is just a little distance between them, so center and space dash x, let's go with 4, oh no, this is the, yeah, we'll need more space. How does this look? Identical, yeah, I see that this is thicker and this is thinner, so I have to reduce the Y shit as well. Where is that bullshit? PY, yeah, let's go with 3 on this, and this is way lower. 2, fucking hell, is this more rounded? I think this looks about right. Yeah, I'm gonna be okay with this now. Fuck everything else. Fuck this world. Okay, so we go back, DI this, and I will go card dot image. Yeah, there we go. So that works, and yeah, there we go. Yeah, I see it. I see it. You don't have to mention it. I can hear your thoughts. I will not care about it right now. Fuck this. So this is fine. This is less padding. I'll fix the padding later. But yeah, I mean, in a nutshell, that's how you do it. So this is this. We need to add more spacing between these two. So starting title, this is flex y. Cool. Flex y क्या बोल रहा हूँ, but yeah, whatever. Let's just make this a flex container to flex dash call. Okay, cool. Space dash y, and we add a 10 spacing. Cool. Now this even more spacing, so amazing. So we go 14. That looks about right. Or does it? We go from here. There's, I guess that's right. I think that's good enough for now. Yeah, fair enough. So we are here now, and what else do we need? There's less spacing between the image and the group classes, so I need to reduce that first. I realize I'm a bit of a perfectionist in this matter. Like, I can't stand the imperfection of this all. This is around, that's why. So I just need to add space between or center. I think I'll figure that out later. I'm very EP right now. So we have this, and what do we need to map now? The details. Okay, cool. So we go here, card dot d, no, title. Yeah, what the fuck am I doing? So yeah, we got this. Now we need to add. The thing about TypeScript is it automatically tells you what all you have, which is nice. So we add a price here. Card dot extra price text. Thing is, you know what, it's actually gonna be very easy to animate like this, and the fact is I don't think there's anybody else but me working on this, so nah, it doesn't feel right to not have a card for this as in like a separate component. But it's gonna be a little more tedious, but you know what, I might just put in the effort for it. Clean code is clean code. All text. Cool, and this will be description. So we get rid of this, and voila, with this we are done. There you go. Of course, the cum stains have to be put on, and yes, I said cum stains, I'm sorry, but yeah, I'm just tired. The paint stains have to be put on. I usually put them on through absolute or relative. Do I have water? I do not have water. I'll get some water. I've been talking so much, I haven't even realized that. I'm just, yeah, the cards are done, and there you have it. Now we will add in the animation so that I can sleep a good night's sleep. So that fades up, and this fades one after the other from left to right. So first things first, we take this whole div. Where is this whole div? It is right here. So we make this a motion.div. Motion.div. That is my TypeScript is fucking over. So we'll take it from here. So yeah, GG, and cool. So oh shit, if you guys want my keybinds, you can let me know. I'll share them somewhere. Not sure how this whole thing works, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. Motion.div, and yeah, there we go. So now it goes from bottom up, right? So as far as I'm concerned, yeah, that is negative y-axis. So we take the animation from here only. I'm not gonna look up docs for this because I GPT'd this before and it worked out, so it'll work out this time as well. So we go here, and we had to also animate on presence, which I didn't figure out yet, but I'm just gonna ask GPT to do it for me. So we go Y, that is done. We go Y. Oh yeah, I'm kind of proud that I didn't actually take any help, so that's nice. Oh, this is a client side bug. We go GG. Oh shit. Cool. GG. Oh no, we already had GG, and use client. Yeah, Next.js has this weird thing. We go back CW, and then we remove this. Cool. So where we at now? Refresh. It goes up. It goes down. Why? Why does it go down? initial is minus y, so let's just do plus y. Screw it. Yeah, works. I don't care. I'm not gonna question it. So that's done, and now we need to take the other shits as well. So yeah, this should. So we have a container class, and we have this. Not a container class, but whatever. The animations. We do this. Opacity, and how exactly are these gonna spawn? We check this out from left to right. Okay, so it's on an x-axis thing, and the children are going to go back to x. So we do this, and that is done. So now this is fine. Cool. Where is the container? Yeah, so I think this is a better approach because I get to animate more freely. So in essence, if I had a card class, that this action would be more tedious, but I am not going to do a lot of front end in the future, so fucking hell, it does not matter. So we do this, and yeah, how did I do that there again? We go back, take reference. Oh yeah, so you see what I'm doing here, right? In the end, I'm going to get paid for it anyways, and I'm not exactly cheating here, I'm just using my own code. So if you see a snippet once and it works, it works. So you got to make it work elsewhere and just get the job done. It does not matter, they do not care, trust me, and that is companies included. You just need to understand what's happening. Oh fuck, what am I doing? Yeah, so like it is just gonna work, and that is it. Nobody cares. Motion, nobody cares if you have Java memorized at the back of your head. People need people who can think and get work done. They do not want people who are robots. They want people who can think. Well, they do need robots, but you get what I'm saying. You don't have to ratta things. You have to enjoy the process. And the only reason I could do this without music today is because I had people who I could share this with, which is a nice thing. And I also want to know what it's like to just turn off my brain and just do work. And it feels amazing. And yeah, there you have it. The whole animated part, and I have finished this. Well, this looks better. Oh wait, it comes from left to right to left. This goes from left to right. Okay, never mind. I haven't finished it yet. So I mean, it's just simply just make it minus. Cool. There you go. So if you refresh this, there you have it. And with this, we have finished the services section. We just need to add the paints. So git add dot get commit feed finish services section for desktop. Done. I'll see how long the stream was and find out how long it took me to do this. I mean, I'm not gonna deny I am a bit of a slow worker, but hey, such is life. So I've done this now, and what else was I thinking with this? I've done the animations. I now need to make it responsive, which I'll do next time. So I think that's it. Yeah, if you guys want to follow me, I have a LinkedIn. It is Ishan Khurana, and I also have an Instagram named ik_404. Down the line, if I continue this, I will add my socials as well. And yeah, there you have it. Thank you for your time, and this was fun. I hope to see more people down the line. Thank you.